If you keep forgetting to post consistently on TikTok, this one feature fixes that for you completely. I'm Janet, and I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your post on TikTok so you can stay active without burning out. Please note that this can't be done from the main TikTok app, so you have to download and log into TikTok Studio app. Open the app, tap Create or tap Upload to import your project, or you can click Camera and record directly. Tap Upload and upload your project. Click Next. Click Next again. Enter your description like you will normally do when uploading. Click Content Disclosure and make sure to let them know if your content is an advert video. Click here to pick your audience. Click More Options and let them know if your content is AI generated. And if you want comment, duet, and other things, set it up here as you want. Go back and click Schedule Post. Then pick your date and time when you want the post or video to go live. After that, click Done. Then click Schedule. Please note that once you schedule a post, you cannot edit it again. If there's an error, the only alternative is for you to delete it and reschedule again. If you click here now, click the three dots, the only thing you will see is delete. Even if you go to the main TikTok app, you will see delete as well. So basically, that's all about scheduling on TikTok. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Bye for now.